Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Travel Partner Official, your one-stop channel for the best travel tips and inspiration. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of European cruises, exploring 10 unforgettable journeys that will leave you yearning for the open sea. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer, our curated list of top 10 European cruise trips offers something for everyone. Now, grab your virtual passport and let's set sail. Our first adventure takes us to the mesmerizing Mediterranean Sea, a region rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Picture yourself sailing past sun-drenched beaches, ancient ruins that whisper tales of the past, and vibrant coastal towns bustling with life and color. Imagine strolling through the bustling markets of Barcelona, where the aroma of fresh seafood and the sound of street musicians fill the air, marveling at the Colosseum in Rome, a testament to the grandeur of ancient civilizations, and feeling the weight of history beneath your feet. Or losing yourself in the labyrinthine streets of Venice, where every corner reveals a new story, and the canals echo with the songs of gondoliers. From the sun-kissed shores of Greece, where crystal-clear waters meet golden sands, to the glamorous French Riviera, a playground for the rich and famous, with its luxurious yachts and stunning coastline, each port promises a unique experience. Savor Mediterranean cuisine, with its rich flavors and fresh ingredients, explore charming villages that seem frozen in time, and soak up the vibrant energy of these coastal cities, where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. So, pack your bags, grab your sun hat, and get ready to be swept away by the magic of the Mediterranean. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply in search of relaxation, the Mediterranean has something for everyone. Next, we venture north to Norway's majestic fjords. Imagine sailing past sheer cliffs that plunge into mirror-like waters, adorned with cascading waterfalls. Discover charming villages along the water's edge, each with its own unique character. Experience kayaking through tranquil waters, hike to panoramic viewpoints, or simply relax on deck. Witness the northern lights dancing across the night sky, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your sense of adventure and prepare to be captivated by Norway's fjords. Our journey continues through the Baltic Sea, a region steeped in history and charm. This vast expanse of water has been a crucial maritime route for centuries, connecting various cultures and civilizations. From Copenhagen to St. Petersburg, the Baltic Sea offers a blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Explore medieval castles, wander through cobbled streets, and experience the vibrant energy of bustling cities. Delve into the rich history of the Hanseatic League, a powerful economic and defensive alliance of merchant guilds and market towns in northwestern and central Europe. Discover the architectural gems of Stockholm, where centuries-old buildings stand alongside cutting-edge modern designs, creating a unique and captivating skyline. The art scene in Helsinki is equally impressive, with world-class museums, galleries, and vibrant street art that reflect the city's creative spirit. In Tallinn, the medieval splendor is palpable. Walk through its old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and feel as though you've stepped back in time. Indulge in Scandinavian cuisine, known for its fresh, locally sourced ingredients and innovative flavors. Visit local markets to taste traditional foods and experience the region's culinary heritage. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of local markets, where you can interact with friendly locals and discover unique handmade crafts. So, pack your curiosity and prepare to be enchanted by the Baltic Sea. Each destination offers its own unique charm, promising an unforgettable journey through history, culture, and natural beauty. Chapter 4. Greek Islands. Island hopping through paradise. Get ready to embrace the spirit of the Aegean Sea as we set sail for the legendary Greek islands. Picture yourself basking in Santorini's sunsets, exploring Mykonos's whitewashed villages, or wandering through Delphi's ancient ruins. Dive into crystal-clear waters, savor fresh seafood, and lose yourself in the rhythm of island life. From Mykonos's windmills to Santorini's volcanic landscapes, each island offers a unique blend of beauty, history, and culture. So pack your swimsuit, grab a good book, and prepare to be enchanted by the Greek islands. Chapter 5, Rhine River, a fairy tale journey through the heart of Europe. Our next adventure takes us on a scenic journey along the legendary Rhine River. Imagine gliding past rolling vineyards, medieval castles, and charming villages. Explore Heidelberg's cobblestone streets, marvel at Cologne Cathedral, and lose yourself in Strasbourg's charm. Savor local wines, indulge in traditional German cuisine, and immerse yourself in the region's rich history. So, pack your camera, brush up on your German phrases, and prepare to be captivated by the Rhine River. Chapter 6, British Isles, Unveiling the Charms of the Emerald Isle and Beyond. Prepare to embark on a journey through the British Isles where history, culture, and natural beauty collide. Explore Dublin's historic streets, marvel at Edinburgh Castle, and lose yourself in London's energy. Discover Stonehenge, the Cotswolds villages, and Stratford-upon-Avon's literary heritage. Attend a traditional Irish music session, enjoy afternoon tea, and experience British hospitality. So pack your umbrella, brush up on your British slang, and prepare to be charmed by the British Isles. Chapter 7, Danube River, a waltz through the heart of Europe. Our journey continues as we glide along the majestic Danube River, connecting 10 countries and countless stories. From Vienna's imperial grandeur to Budapest's enchanting cityscape, a Danube River cruise offers history, culture, and breathtaking scenery. Discover Regensburg, explore Salzburg's Baroque beauty, and soak up Bratislava's vibrant atmosphere. Attend a classical music concert, indulge in Hungarian cuisine, and experience Eastern European hospitality. So, pack your dancing shoes, brush up on your German phrases, and prepare to be swept away by the Danube. Chapter 8, Adriatic Sea, Unveiling the Treasures of the Dalmatian Coast. Get ready to be seduced by the Adriatic Sea's shimmering waters as we set sail for the Dalmatian coast. Explore Dubrovnik's walled city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and lose yourself in its cobblestone streets. Discover Split's Roman ruins, relax on Far's golden beaches, and explore the Kornati Islands' hidden coves. Savor Croatian cuisine, indulge in fresh seafood, and experience Adriatic hospitality. So pack your swimsuit, grab a good book, and prepare to be enchanted by the Adriatic Sea's magic. Chapter 9, Black Sea, Unveiling the Mysteries of the East. Our journey takes an intriguing turn as we venture into the Black Sea, a region shrouded in history and mystery. This body of water has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries, with its shores witnessing the rise and fall of empires. Explore Istanbul's bustling streets, where East meets West amidst a vibrant tapestry of history and culture. The city, once known as Byzantium and later Constantinople, is a living museum of architectural wonders. Discover Troy's ancient ruins, wander through Derinkuyi's underground city, a marvel of ancient engineering that once sheltered thousands of people, and relax on the Black Sea Riviera, where the azure waters meet golden sands. Experience Turkish hospitality, indulge in Turkish cuisine, from savory kebabs to sweet baklava, and immerse yourself in the region's rich history. The Black Sea has been a vital trade route and a source of inspiration for countless legends and myths. So pack your sense of adventure and get ready to explore a land where every corner has a story to tell. Brush up on your Turkish phrases, as a little effort goes a long way in connecting with the locals, and prepare to be captivated by the Black Sea. This journey promises to be an unforgettable blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Chapter 10, Canary Islands, Embracing Eternal Spring. Our final adventure takes us to the sun-drenched Canary Islands, a Spanish archipelago off the coast of Africa. Explore Timanfaya National Park's lunar landscapes, relax on Fuerteventura's beaches, and hike Mount Teide in Tenerife. Discover La Gomera's rainforests, La Palma's charming towns, and Gran Canaria's vibrant nightlife. Savor Spanish cuisine with a Canarian twist, indulge in fresh seafood, and experience Canarian hospitality. So pack your swimsuit, grab your hiking boots, and prepare to be enchanted by the Canary Islands. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our whirlwind tour of the top 10 best cruise trips in Europe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest travel tips and destination inspiration. Now, tell us in the comments below which of these incredible cruise trips has captured your heart. Until next time, happy travels!